Hi guys, it's Fiona from Currys, and today we're going to look at some of the standout features of the Braun Silk-épil 5. It has an extra gentle speed which is great for beginners. It leaves nothing behind but smooth skin, and it's 100% waterproof. I'm going to head to the lab and have a look at this product in a little bit more detail. It changes the perception of hair removal by making it as comfortable as possible. As well as a normal setting, it has an extra gentle speed. Now that's great for beginners and those starting out and wanting to build confidence. This is the gentle setting. And then once you've built confidence, you can move up to the normal speed. Plus it has these massage rollers which help to stimulate the skin as you go, which helps too. It makes sure that no hairs get left behind, leaving you with long-lasting, smooth skin by being extra thorough. It uses something called micro grip tweezer tech, and that's what allows it to pick up even the tiniest of hairs, even picking up hairs that are as small as a grain of sand. And you can use it in the bath or shower and wash away stray hairs. It is 100% waterproof, so you don't have to worry at all about it getting ruined. Completely submerged, and works perfectly. If you'd like more info on this Braun Epilator, then visit us in store, head online or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.